Hey guys, I'm just showing you this new Suzuki 16 horse outboard that I just got. I don't know if it will run or not. I think it's a 1980 Suzuki dt16. So this is a short shaft. So I'm going to take the bottom end off and make sure the impeller's good. First thing we're going to do. And let's see what it looks like under here. So, guy says he's had it about 10 years and it's been sitting in his garage for the last 3, so we'll hurry and get her cleaned up. I'll have to clean the carburetor, I'm sure. Suzuki's got a weird fuel line system, so I'll have to figure out something for that. I'll have to get a new hose because I think this hose has had it. Not bad for a doesn't look too bad for being 36 years old though. So we'll clean her up and get it running. I'll keep you guys updated on it. Thanks for watching.